Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Java JDK 22, that is the latest version on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS noble version. Okay, open terminal, then check whether Java is installed or not. See, we don't have Java is installed. See, these are the commands to install the Java, but the standard way is Ctrl L to clear screen, open Firefox, go to Google and search for Java downloads. Click on the first link, that is Java downloads. See here we have the latest version Java JDK 22. And select the operating system Linux. Okay. Then we have to download the Debian package for Ubuntu or Debian or Kali Linux or Debian type operating systems. Right click on it, copy link, then go to the terminal, wget, paste that link to download this Debian package. Hit enter. Its size is 160 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, we have successfully downloaded. Type ls-ltrh. See, we have the Java JDK 22. Ctrl L to clear screen. Let us install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then provide the package that we have downloaded. Give the JD and give the tab and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. So we have successfully installed. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now run the Java ---- version to verify the Java installation is success or not. See, we have installed Java JDK 22. Now we will see how to set Java home environment variable in Ubuntu. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now find the Java installation directory, that is JVM directory. cd user ls cd library ls. See here we have the JVM. cd JVM. Ctrl L ls cd jdk ls. Okay, so we have to copy pwd. We have to copy this part. Copy it. Export Java _home equals to, in quotations, paste the path. Close the quotations. Then hit enter. Now export path equals to $Java _home \bin : $path. Hit enter. Okay, so we have successfully configured Java environment variables in Linux or Ubuntu operating system. Now run source etc profile. Hit enter. Exit and reopen. Terminal. Now type Java ---- Okay, so now let's create a sample Java program and compile and execute it. Okay, sudo vi, or use the nano also. Then first program.java. I2 insert mode. Then search for sample Java program. Sample Java program. This sample. Okay. Anyway, go to this link. Copy this one. Paste it. I am going to replace this class name as R2Schools. I will keep this command in the video description. Save the file. Now run Java C, then give the Java program name. hit enter. Now run Java class name. Class name is args. See, we got the same output. Now add one more line and execute it. Vi shift A. See, it is read only file. Sudo shift A System.out.println. Now add two numbers. Put semicolon at the end of the statement. Save the file. Now run the Java args. But this will give the old output. Let us execute it and see the output. See, new line not affected. So every time if you modify Java program file, you need to compile it. So use the Java C, then Java program name, program file name, and hit enter. See, it is typo. So again edit it. T is missing. Okay. So again compile it. It is done. Now Java args. See, we got the second line also. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Java JDK 22 on Ubuntu 24.04 Noble LTS version. For more Java or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.